where do I start? Last year, Cinema called up myself, and of course then tear gas at the time for the IEC election, just to voting, which is of course and so when KO was coming out, I was coming in, and we met each other for the first time. So obviously we knew what we were doing. You know, it was the first time we actually met, and he said, "I'd love to do a song with you." And you know, there's talk, especially in our industry. It's like, yeah, sure, okay. So he said, "Can we exchange this?" I said, "Sure, if you want to do a song, let's do it." But I didn't think much of it. Next week, literally, I think it was, so I made let's go into the studio. The beautiful thing, what people don't know, not only is he like a graduate of his mountain, and people don't know that side of him, and the longevity aspect, he knows what he's doing, whether it's producing. A lot of people don't know he produces. You know, even Skanda, I know he co-produced, but just his talent and being able to write so well. It's just an honor. I've learned so much. It's an awesome song.
It is a beautiful song, and the video concept, obviously, were you part of the creating process, or were you told this what's happening?
No, you know, it's funny. I remember he had said earlier on, sometime when he had recorded the song, if I'd like to be, and with a lot of people, I tend to be a stage mom, and I'm like, yeah, no, you're right. Let me get involved. But I really do trust where he's going. He knows exactly where he's going, and the thing is, his products, any song, any video, we've seen the product. It really is. You know, a great. I mean, the caliber is high every time. And Skanda Love is no different. I mean, it's like a
yeah, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
I enjoy it. So what's happening with Nandi? I know you've got In My Skin, Skanda Love. What else is going on with you?
Well, In My Skin was for Legit. That was just a Legit song, which was awesome. And that range, surprisingly, I had no idea that my Legit range would do so well.
Because it went outside Africa.
Yes, it was also in Botswana. But they want to extend even more. We're supposed to go to Angola and just obviously time constraints and stuff. But the actual summer campaign did so well, and I was flabbergasted because it was sold out in so many places, and I think that's always, I wouldn't say flattering or humbling, but it's so real, because now you almost realize that people love what you're about. Not necessarily you, because it's an extension of who you are, but the fact that people love what I represent in my style, so I always represent a group of people, you know, and the fact that they could see it in the commercial light, and even Legit for giving me that platform, big up to them. So we had so much fun. And having David Tlale be my video model, I'm joking. He was the designer and designing my gowns. I mean, and having a video that's never happened in Legit. So music and fashion and this, and first time they had a bikini line. So there was so much, and the lovely thing also, people could see it was me. A lot of the time it was his face.
Oh yes,
but it was absolutely, that was a collaboration. This is what Nandi would bring. This is.
From my curly head to my bosom, ooh, God created this.
Which was beautiful.
And how do you stay in shape? How do you stay in shape? Because those bikini pictures show that you're in pretty great shape.
No, look,
so yeah,
airbrushing is always great. But to be very honest, it's actually quite a funny story. I injured my knee. In fact, I'm supposed to be wearing this knee band. And the week before that, I started gym for the first time properly.
Okay.
And then I got injured the next week. I think I was just being punished that I already started so late in my life. My family's very small, so genetically I have gifted, but you can feel it now. I mean, 30s are around the corner for me, so gym will be my friend. Yeah.
So besides super sport and music, what else is going on? Because music, what's going on besides?
Yes, Skanda Love. This year's more about music, and you know why, guys? I'm so excited to chat to him, because we chatted the last year, and I always feel like you're my good luck charm. So I'm taking this very seriously. I'm not playing. Yeah, no, absolutely. This year is more about the music. I'll be doing one more collaboration, and it's with someone that everyone was wanting me to collaborate with, but it's going to be very different than what we did. So I'm excited about that, and then my second film come soon, if not now, in the next 2 months. But I just think the love, and also the fact that, you know, people generally try to box you, especially if they think like, you know, you're more about the aesthetics, we can't take you seriously as a musician, you're just a face, whatever. And I'm glad with Skanda Live it got to prove that to, you know, that no, Mngoma take music seriously, and I'm just following that hard, you know.
And I follow you on Instagram, and your Instagram changed. There was that kind of switch. Maybe I feel that.
Yeah.
You're very. You've always been pro-African, but now you're very all-encompassing. You talk about the African queen. You do a whole lot of sport. Was there a turning point of some sort? Because I mean, if you look through the timeline, maybe like a year ago or so. I mean, yeah. So it's been like a switch, some kind of switch.
From like being like
just being Instagram to being a platform to do something. And I'm wondering what is that intention?
Sure, it may just be growth, hey? And I think unintentionally, this is great that you're mentioning it. I think it happens unintentionally where Instagram is usually a reflection of where someone is, and so of course with success and more success with anyone, I think unintentionally become aware of something. So you may find, like you say, maybe I'm more branded now or aware of the target market just because I've been trained that way through things like Legit and because you learn so much. So you're right, actually, of course that would happen. So I've just been a sponge, and I should actually look at my Instagram account. But yeah, that's a good point, actually.
Cool. And the hair. The last time, it was slightly shorter, right?
It was. It's got a lot longer. Funny enough, I thought I was going to grow it out even on the sides, which I did for Skanda Live, hence why I could braid my hair. And then I just kind of missed this hair. So just in terms of hair, it's always like I'm always pushing natural hair. And the only reason for that is because that's the hair you're born with, you know. But I'm fine with someone. Do you know a lot of people wear wigs and they actually have natural hair underneath? A lot of people, including my mom, you know, and then she'll have a natural hair out. So I'm fine with that aspect where you're okay with the hair and you're just doing it for convenience. And they need to be fine with who you are. So we're still just pushing that really skill. And that we need to be more global, so let's not take ourselves too seriously as a media industry. As a media industry, South Africa, we have so much talent. We need to work, all of us. So I don't know why we have egos, like how do egos?
Thank you so much.
Oh my God. Sky rocks, guys. You don't understand. And he's my good luck charm. That's why I was like, yo, I must do this interview. But thank you so much. Much love.
Thank you.